guys, so we got the '05 Grand Cherokee Hemi in here again. We're having an issue where the air conditioning's working on the passenger side, but not on the driver's side. So we assume it's a blend door. That's where we're going to start. It could also be the little knobby thing on the dash. But we also had a problem in the winter time where there was no heat on the floor, but there was heat up high. And also you could not adjust the temperature. It's automatic dual climate temperature. No matter, like if you had it all the way up, it was full hot, but you turned it back a little bit, it went cold. Which if you own a Jeep, you understand you don't want that to happen because you'll be driving with the windows down and the heat on and being like 20 degrees out. You guys that own Jeeps know exactly what I'm talking about. We're gonna take you on this journey. We're gonna start underneath the dash on the driver's side because that's the side we're having a problem with, and we'll see what we find.
All right, all I did was hook two wires. Really doesn't, you don't actually really need to know positive and negative for this test. All this is two terminals, meaning it just reverses the polarity. So all we do, doesn't even matter. I put one lead on, so you don't want to touch each other, otherwise you get a nice little spark show like that.
Yeah, and you can weld it together or to a truck fender.
As
right,
you can
Wayne?
see, I'm touching. Oh yeah, that did happen before. I'm touching the two terminals, and look, we got no movement out of that actuator. But then again, that don't mean anything yet. It could be all the other way. So hook them up the other way and check for both directions. Not work. I really don't care. And touch the leads this way, and I'm not getting no movement.
All right, guys. So right there is where we got that off of. So it slides onto there, and that's what actually actuates your door, your blend door. So it changes your hot and your cold for the driver's side. There's several of those under the dash, but that's the one we were having a problem with. See, it's kind of just under the steering wheel, and you just take this cover off. There's 3 screws, 2 or 3 screws, and then that comes down, and then bam, there you are, right at it. Alright guys, I didn't show it because we were supposed to have tornadoes and hail and all kinds of stuff. So we just wanted to get it done and out of the garage in case we lost power. But basically, we took it apart and either the ring was jammed, there was a bad connection or whatever. But Wayne ended up just taking it apart, putting it back together, and it works perfect now. So you can actually separate that case that we were showing you, that we were testing, and you can separate that. Now you're going to end up breaking the clips probably. We just electric taped it real tight back together. We threw it back in and it works perfect. But either way guys, if you want to get a new one, you can order new ones. They're like 20 bucks, 25 bucks on Rock Auto. But my problem is fixed. That's what the issue was. So if you're having no AC on the driver's side, but it's working okay on the passenger side, or in the winter time, if you're not able to adjust your heat, which that now works as well, that's what your issue is. So I hope this helped you guys. Remember, down below, we have our eBay link, which we have over 200 decals now. We're also starting an Etsy store. I'll see if I can remember to put that link down below. So if you're on Etsy and not eBay, you can still get our stuff. Drop that like button and drop a comment. Let me know if this helped you. Let me know if you have any other questions. And we'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.